Congratulations for purchasing your new IcyShot machine. By doing so, you have selected to be a pioneer in this new era. You realize that IcyShot will revolutionize the whole culture of drinking. And if you own a bar, this will lead to an increase in sales and also add a conversation piece to your premises. Before opening the packaging, check its integrity. In case of damage, do not install the unit and contact your distributor. If the package has been turned upside down, do not install the unit. Set it on a flat surface and leave it turned off for 24 hours before installation. If these instructions are not carefully followed, the cooling system may be subject to irreparable damage not covered by the guarantee. Installation. Before plugging in, check that the button 1 is on the central position 0, unit switched off. Put the bottle adapters into the bottles and then put the bottles in place. Plug in and press button into position 1. After a few seconds, the unit will beep and LEDs will start flashing. Attention! Press and immediately release the dispensing button under each bottle until a preset micro portion of product comes out. This initial pouring is necessary to fill the circuit with liquor and to remove any traces of water or humidity. If this operation is not carefully followed, freezing may occur and obstruct the circuit. After the above preliminary operations, press button 1 into position 2. The IcyShot will beep. LEDs and the digital thermostat will be lighted. The cooling procedure will start. Temperature setting. Attention! The dispensing temperature is originally set at 2 degrees centigrade, 35.6 degrees Fahrenheit, to avoid the circuit from freezing. Therefore, it can be set to the desired temperature of a minimum of -18 degrees centigrade, -0.5 degrees Fahrenheit. A lower dispensing temperature is not recommended. For the temperature setting, follow these simple steps. Press the button on the digital thermostat for a few seconds. A flashing LED will light and the display will show the originally set temperature. Set the desired temperature through the arrow buttons, up or down. Press the set button again to memorize the temperature. It takes about 30 minutes to reach the set temperature. Attention! The temperature setting is 1 for all 3 bottles, so the 3 liquors must have similar alcoholic volume. For liquors with low alcoholic volume, up to 16% ABV, a temperature lower than -10 degrees centigrade, 14 degrees Fahrenheit, is not recommended. Liquors with high alcoholic volume, from 35% ABV and up, can easily be dispensed at a temperature between -15 degrees centigrade to -18 degrees centigrade. That's 5 degrees Fahrenheit to -0.4 degrees Fahrenheit. It is recommended not to use liquors with high concentration of sugar and/or pieces of fruit. It is also recommended to replace the empty bottles immediately, otherwise the internal circuit may be subject to risk of freezing. Important! Changing from a higher to a lower temperature, for example, from -8 degrees centigrade to -12 degrees centigrade, that's 17 degrees Fahrenheit to 10 degrees Fahrenheit, can easily be made by setting the thermostat as explained before, and the IcyShot will take a few minutes to reach the new set temperature. The opposite operation, changing from a lower to a higher temperature, for example from -12 degrees centigrade to -8 degrees centigrade, that's 10 degrees Fahrenheit to 17 degrees Fahrenheit, by setting the thermostat, will not be so fast because of the thermal inertia of the cooling system. This is the reason why caution is necessary when installing, in order to avoid the circuit from freezing, as the unit reset is likely to take hours. Caution setting. The icy shot is equipped with an electronic system for the dispensing of predetermined portions. Set the portion of each liquor bottle as follows. Put the glass under the dispensing spout. Keep the dispensing button pressed for at least 10 seconds until it starts flashing. Release it as soon as the product starts pouring. Once you have obtained the desired portion, press the button again to stop the dispensing. In this way, the portion will be memorized. Now the icy shot is ready to dispense the memorized portion. Each of the 3 dispensing buttons can be set with different portions. Please note, the dispensing can be stopped at any time before reaching the memorized portion by pressing the corresponding button. This will not change the portion setting. To change the portion setting, repeat the steps described above. Cleaning. The icy shot needs regular and periodical cleaning, in particular if different or sweet liquors are dispensed. Considering the high thermal inertia, it is recommended to switch off the icy shot for at least 8 hours. For cleaning, proceed as follows. Rinse the bottle adapters. Put the bottle adapters into 3 bottles filled with lukewarm water, not hot. Put the 3 bottles in place. Put a container under the dispensing spouts. Press the button into position 1. Then pour water by pressing the button until the bottles are totally empty. Remove the empty bottles. Now put the bottle adapters into new bottles of liquor, and then the bottles in place. Dispense a small quantity of product. Switch the icy shot on by pressing the button into position 2 and wait about 30 minutes to reach the set temperature. Now you can start using your icy shot again. Troubleshooting. Problem: the unit won't start and lights are off. Possible causes and solutions. Absence of power. Check the plug. Problem: the display and LEDs are on, but the liquor is not cold. Possible causes and solutions. The button is in position 1. Press it into position 2 and wait for the set temperature. The set temperature is too high. Set the thermostat. Problem: the button is on position 2, the LEDs and displays are on, but the liquor cannot be dispensed. Possible causes and solutions. Frozen circuit. Switch off the unit and wait until it has defrosted. Then follow the cleaning procedure. Set the temperature according to the alcoholic volume of the liquor.